Hey, it's Dina Colada here from Dina Colada Digital, and today I'm going to show you how to add an admin to your Facebook business page. Now, the reason you might want to add an admin is so it can eliminate some of your workload and you can have somebody else on your team or a virtual assistant or somebody else, a friend, a family member, to help you manage your Facebook page. So if you don't want to do all the work yourself, it's great to make another user an admin. And I'm going to show you in this quick video how to do that. First, you'll log on to Facebook, and then you're going to scroll down to the left-hand side where it has the little flag and it says Pages. So you're going to need a Facebook page already created. And I have a video that shows you how to create a Facebook page using Canva that you can check out if you don't have a business page made yet. And it walks you through step by step how to make the cover photo, a little image like a profile photo, and everything you need to get started with a Facebook page. And scroll down to the page that you want to change. I'm going to do the Star City Farmers Market. It's my newest page I built for my local community's farmers market. Okay, so here we are on the main Facebook page area. I'm going to make that a full screen here. So what you're going to do is go to Settings on the upper right-hand side. And then we are going to see this big screen with lots of words. And we're going to scroll over to the left-hand side where it says Page Roles. Click on that real quickly. And here we go. We're going to assign a new page role. Right here you can see I created the page, so I'm already an admin for this page. And if you want to assign a new person to gain access to the page, you can click this area here in the center where it says Assign a new page role. You can choose editor, admin, moderator, advertiser, or an analyst. So if you choose an admin, they can actually go in and do everything that you can do in your page. And if you have any questions about what these roles can do on your Facebook page, if you click like on editor, right below it'll tell you all of the things that an editor can do. They can publish content and send messages as a page, respond and delete comments on the page, create ads, see who created a post or comment, post from Instagram to Facebook, and view insights. So if the Instagram account's connected to your page, they can respond to delete comments, send direct messages, sync business contact info, and create ads. But what I want to do is let's go back to the admin. Check out this role. They will have the same permissions as you do. They'll be able to make changes to the page. They could change the cover photo, the description, the about, all of that stuff. They can manage all aspects of your business page. So make sure that you're okay with this person being in charge of the page. Let's go over what an admin can do. They can publish and send messenger messages as the page, respond and delete comments on the page, post to Instagram from Facebook, create ads, see who created a post or comment, view insights, and assign page roles. So they could actually create another admin or add an editor. If you add an Instagram account and that's connected to your page, they can respond and delete comments, send direct messages, and sync business contact info and create ads. I'm okay with that person doing this. So I'm going to add Todd as an admin to this page and click Add. And then you'll simply add your password in. Oh wait, let's see. I got to remember my password here. I'm going to start this again. Okay, I'm going to click Add. I'm having a little problem here. For your security, you must re-enter your password. All right, a request has been sent to Todd. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go into my messages and I'm going to find Todd here, and send him a personal message to make sure he knows that I made him an admin, so he checks his notifications. Okay, so the message I've sent to him, it says, I sent you a notification and added you as an admin to the Star City Market page if you want to create any posts, etc. So he knows that he's going to get that sent to his notifications, and now he knows for sure that he can be an admin on this page. And I think that we're done with this video, and I hope this has been helpful. I don't want to take a whole lot of time, but if you haven't created a page yet, please click the link below and you can see how to create a Facebook business page if you don't have one yet. And I'll see you in the next video. And please send any comments and questions below and I'll respond to those as fast as I can.